Another night. Wicked wild wind. Not as wild as the other night, but still windy. Haven't quit the heat wave. It's like 50 some degrees out here right now. It's like 4 a.m. Alright, I'm gonna try to go back to sleep. Good night, Phoenixes. My wind chime's going wild over there.